Chicken adobo. Ingredients: chicken meat, garlic, onion, ginger, oyster sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper powder, sugar, tidbits, pineapple. Sauté garlic. Sauté onions. Sauté ginger. Mix them all. Pour oyster sauce. Mix again, darling. Pour the chicken stacks.
Oh.
Add 1 glass of water.
Oh.
Refreshing. Add soy sauce, baby. Mixed it. Sprinkles sugar to make it sweet. Add the pineapple tidbits. Sprinkles the black pepper powder. Pour vinegar. Stir again. Add slurry. Toppings: the 2 pieces onions.
Yummy!
Done eating time. Thank you for watching. Follow and share.
Yeah.